Hi students, welcome to all of you to this concepts and snippets session. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting chapter, that is general principles and processes of isolation of elements, or it is called metallurgy. It is the scientific and technological processes that involve extraction of metals from their naturally occurring compounds. As you know, as on today, 118 elements are known, out of which 80% are metals. Metals find very wide applications in various industries. In the 21st century, electronic and technical progress depends to a large extent on our advances in the extraction of metals and mineral industry. Let me ask you a simple question. Which is the most abundant metal on earth crust? The most abundant metal on earth crust is aluminium, a metal of very lightweight, at the same time sufficient tensile strength. It is not easily corroded. So, aluminum is widely used in aluminum fabrication. Wood is slowly getting replaced by aluminum because on the surface of aluminum, an oxide layer is formed which protects the metal from further corrosion. Okay. So, in this chapter, we are going to discuss how metals are extracted from their naturally occurring compounds. You know, except gold and platinum are found in their free state or in their uncombined state, whereas almost all metals are found in their combined state. And some elements are so rare, they are artificially made. Okay. So, let us discuss a common term that is used in metallurgy, that is minerals and ores. Minerals are naturally occurring compounds of elements. Naturally occurring compounds of elements are called minerals. For example, calcium occurs as calcium carbonate. Calcium also occurs as calcium oxide. Calcium also occurs as gypsum, calcium sulfate 2H2O. All these are minerals of calcium. Iron occurs as hematite. Also, it occurs as iron pyrites. Pyrites means sulfide, iron sulfide. Copper is found as copper pyrites, also as copper carbonate. So, majority of the metals are found as their oxides or their sulfides. These naturally occurring compounds of metals are called minerals. What are ores? Ores are the mineral from which the metal is extracted easily and economically. The ore is the mineral from which the metal can be easily and economically extracted. So, we have a general saying, all minerals are not ores, but all ores are minerals. I hope it is clear. All ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Why? Because only the mineral from which the metal can be extracted easily and economically will be called an ore. Clear, no? So, for you in the second year, you have to discuss or you have to learn in detail metallurgy of aluminium, iron, copper and zinc. So, you must compulsorily remember the minerals and ores of these metals. Okay. So, minerals are naturally occurring compounds of metals, since we deal with metals. Okay. Majority of the metals are found as oxides and sulfides. Majority of metals are found on earth crust, that is the surface, earth crust as their oxides and sulfides. Sulfide are called pyrites. Sulfides are also called pyrites. Pyrites. Okay. Now, what about ores? That is the difference. Ores are the mineral from which the metal is extracted easily and economically. Easily and economically is called an ore. So we can say what? Therefore, all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Okay. For example, okay, let us take aluminium. Aluminium is the most abundant metal on earth crust. Aluminium is the most abundant metal on earth crust. Okay. The minerals of aluminium. 1. Bauxite. It is an oxide of aluminium having 2 moles of water of hydration. Aluminium is also found as cryolite. It is Na3Al F6. Aluminium is also found as alumina, that is Al2O3, out of which, but bauxite is the ore of aluminium. That means what? It is easy to extract aluminium from bauxite, and the percentage of aluminium is also more in bauxite. That's why I said the mineral from which the metal is extracted easily and economically is called an ore. Okay. Now, let us discuss a simple question from this chapter. Give the names of sulfide ores of copper, lead, and zinc. All these metals have their sulfide ore. Okay. The sulfide ore of copper is copper pyrites. It is copper pyrites, CuFeS2. The sulfide ore of lead is galena. It is lead sulfide. The sulfide ore of zinc is zinc blende. You must remember the name as well as the composition. It is zinc sulfide. Okay. We are going to discuss a lot of informations regarding the metallurgy of these different metals. Okay. I hope you understood. Thank you.